Speaking of home of economy, here is a view of the Grand Forks area. The showers starting to wrap up there. Still some wet sidewalks in the parking lot out there, but our northern and western counties starting to see the rain exit. For some of us in the south, though, that is not the case. Rain showers continue at Hector. 55 degrees here and at Moorheads Airport. And from time to time, our wind from the northwest has gusted to around 20 to 30 miles per hour. That will likely continue at least through sunset, as well as high pressure begins building in. That barometer or barometric pressure rapidly rising. Greens, 50s. A cool day comparatively. Yesterday, we saw highs for many in the south and southeast in the 80s. It's 64 in Langdon, and some of the warmest weather is in our western counties where the sun is starting to make its presence known. You can see the edge of the cloud bank here, James River Valley, Devils Lake Basin. Most of the shower activity wrapped up in eastern North Dakota with the exception of the central and southern Red River Valley, including Fargo, Moorhead, and this extends into Lakes Country right now. A closer look where you see the yellows here, some good soaking showers continue, but most of them are exiting just off to the east of the FM area, so we cannot rule out shower chances continuing here in Fargo, but the heaviest of the rain may be sliding off to the east and to the south of us. Strong thunderstorms producing thunderstorm warnings through central portions of Iowa and tornado warnings as well, all the way north into northern and western Wisconsin. Your hour-by-hour forecast for this evening. The northwest winds will decrease, but the rain chances continue for Lakes Country in particular through 7 and 8 o'clock, and then even after. As we go to the 10 o'clock hour, the best chance for showers will slowly start sliding into places like Wadena, Park Rapids, and Points East. We'll have hit-and-miss sprinkles. Look at the clearing. It will continue as we go through the overnight hours, as will the decreasing wind. That means chilly morning temperatures. Here's what we're watching. I do think we'll have a fair chance at some patchy, dense fog. Southern Valley into Lakes Country. Be ready for that fog in the morning. Out to the east, though, we're going to see temperatures that could sneak into the upper 30s in one or two locations, but by and large, 40 to 45 for many of us to get the day started. That midday temperature is going to be very comfortable. The wind won't be too strong for most areas yet, and we'll see plentiful sunshine in most locations. There might be a few passing clouds in central Minnesota. Heading through the afternoon, we'll see warmer temperatures, but still subpar for this time of the year. And we'll have that in the heating of the day, a few cumulus clouds building up and passing by. They could produce one or two rain showers that actually make their way down to the ground, but it won't be widespread. So we'll keep that in the forecast as well. A spotty sprinkle, temperatures in the mid and upper 60s west, and a little cooler off to the east, but all in all, a little bit drier for those of you wishing to get outdoors and continue the harvest, for instance. 48 in Fargo to start, low to mid 60s from midday and all the way through your dinner hour. After sunset, the wind tomorrow, by the way, will be northwesterly at around 10 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Your hometown forecast shows 60s across the board. There will be a chance at a 70-degree reading near Jamestown and in southeast portions of North Dakota as well. Here's a look at your forecast, but first, Carla capturing a beautiful photo of Wahpeton here, that harvest. Soggy conditions right now, but this forecast looks like we're going to see some drying through the equinox on Wednesday. Temperatures near 70 for there and Thursday as well. We do cool off a pinch on Friday. Notice this, we'll have a few morning temperatures that could challenge those mid 30s as well. Saturday, 65 degrees. It's 73 on Sunday to close out the weekend in style. All in all, Mike, things are looking pretty good there on that 7-day planner. And we'll keep you updated as well on the shower chances tonight because it will be a little soggy across the board.
Our farming friends could use a break when it comes to the harvest. They've already been strapped by the...
Indeed they have,
yeah,
yes.
All right, thanks. There's always time to write, right? Well, in some cases, you really get a young start at it. I mean, really young. We'll explain when we come back.